Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. I've been waiting to make this video for a very long time, man. It's car related, but it's not car related. But you know, if you're a gamer, like this is for you, man. Like, and for me, like during the off season, because you know, in Arizona, it gets hot during the summertime, June through August, like 115. It'd be hard to drive my sports car, man, and take it to the track because it's just beating on the car really hard. And back in Michigan, when I was over there, like during the winter times, the winter months, I would say between like September or November all the way through December, the tracks be closed because it's too cold and you know there's snow and stuff like that, man. So huge transition. But now, man, major shout out to Miss Bluprint, man. She gave me a nice birthday gift and I'm very excited about it. So I can't wait to like show you guys, man. So I'm gonna go like keep going back and forth here, man, so you guys can see it and like get it up in person, because I was like so excited when I opened the first box, but I'm like, wait a minute, I gotta let my viewers see this, man, because this is like next level here, man. So let me go ahead and get one of these boxes right now for you guys. All right, so if you guys know, you probably know by this. This is not a sponsored video, man. Like I said, this is a gift that was given to me for my birthday, man. But I got so excited, like I said, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the first box. So this is gonna take my driving skills to the next level, man. So I'm excited about it. So this is the very first one right here. It is the Logitech Driving Force Shifter. So as y'all know, man, it's a manual. It's gonna get my driving skills up, man. So if y'all don't know, like a couple videos back, man, I got the game Gran Turismo, and I was talking about like how the Porsche 911 GT3, the 2007 year, compares to my 2022 Camaro SS1LE, and I feel like the Camaro is like the new version of that. Even though it's like a 2007, the video is pretty much me comparison of the 2007 911 GT3 to my 2022 Camaro, because based on the lap times, based on the horsepower, based on both cars, stock for stock. And I was just saying, like in my car, even though it's modded, I feel like it's up there with the latest version of the GT3 RS. But you know, the body style and all that stuff is like carbon fiber, is way lightweight. I made my car lightweight as possible, but I'm gonna be realistic. It's not competing with the Porsche PDK. Now, maybe if I had a 10-speed, maybe, but y'all know Porsche be doing some magic. So yeah, so this is it here. I'm excited to show you guys this. This is just one part of it. I got like more boxes like to the right of me as I keep going. So this is one major part. Major shout out to like wifey giving me that. So I'm just sit there like right there, so you guys can see that in the background. It makes the background look good too. The second box here. Now, whoo! Like I can't even lie like how excited I was when this came in, because I personally didn't know what it was. I was looking into it, but I really wasn't looking into it. So this is here is like another one. She must have got the whole kit from them. She told me it's like the first of its kind that they made, like a whole foldable like simulation setup. And back at home, my boy Will, if you're watching this video, major shout out to him, man, because he did a custom one where he took like tubing and stuff and had his like dedicated in like Formula Racing setup when he had his Xbox. So yeah, oh my gosh, y'all. So this is it. Like, look at it, man. Like, specifically, you know, I'm a Sony fanboy. You know, I don't do Xbox over here. But, you know, I may lean into Xbox, but the Ring of Death, like, killed me. So, yeah, man. So, this is nice. I got my own simulator rig. I got the racing wheel and the pedals. And, yeah, this is what's up. Like, I feel like I'm, like, nerding out right now, because I normally don't, like, go crazy over stuff like this, but this is like something I've been trying to set up for a very long time, man, and I'm shocked that she did it. So I'm gonna put this joint right here so you guys can see that in the background with me looking all good and nice, like Christmas coming early. Maybe if I get to like 5,000 subscribers, I may give you guys this whole setup or something like that, man, so you guys can enjoy it too if you guys into like dedicated racing, dedicated track racing and stuff like that, man, because this is what you can play during the off season to get your skills up. And plus, if you've seen the movie Gran Turismo, you've seen the movie Gran Turismo, like, you know how that guy just went to the next level just off doing stuff like this. And then you see he got recruited by Nissan to drive the GTR, and he won. He made a career out of it. So it can start somewhere. Not saying I'm making a career out of it, but this is something I can do on my fun time. So now it's time for this next box. And this boy right here seemed a lot heavier. Not even gonna lie, man. Like, let me put the mic down a little bit. Like, woo! Like the camera, like, this boy it's a hefty boy. This is a hefty boy. Let me get y'all off my Diddy. No Diddy. But yeah, y'all can see there, man. Like, whew. This is a big boy. What I do with my knife? As y'all can see, I'm not doing no editing, nothing. We going unfiltered on this joint because I feel like y'all need to see my excitement, man. I get excited over stuff like this every now and then. So this racing setup, this racing, I would say the seat, she told me came from Next Level Racing. It's the FGT Lite. I didn't look at it. She told me not to go on YouTube and look at it and compare. She wanted me to get my initial results for you guys, my initial reaction and impressions. So that's what I'm doing. So, like, this is really genuine. I don't even know how to set it up or anything. So I'm just showing that with you guys right now. So, sheesh. So, I don't know, can y'all see that right there? But it's a full-blown, like, kit. So let me go ahead and break this box down. Because, you know, they like shipping a box within a box. But, sheesh, like, let me stand up. Like, this is it, man. The whole setup. The box on the side from Next Level. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I'm really happy about this from Next Level. So it's like the first of its kind where it's foldable. And as y'all see, it, like, once I put the steering wheel and the shifter on there, I can, like, do different positions if I want to. So if I feel like I'm in a car or if I want to get into that Formula Racing style, I can, like, do that. And it's pretty nice. Like, that's a very expensive setup. Like, I know when I did research back in the days, like a Thrustmaster, pause, no Diddy, or pause, no Clive Davis, like, or the Fanatic is a very popular one, or the Logitech. But she said she did her research on this for me, and that the Logitech setup here, this is like the best one that people like to get that's not breaking the bank, and it does just fine. Because if for someone like me, I'm not going to be in this setup like day in and day out like I'm in my early 20s, because I got stuff to do. But at least it's something I can do with my boys. They can get to enjoy this with me. So it's like a nice little family thing, man. Like, I got a little arcade at the crib. Now, the question is, though, y'all drop a comment below, and, like, where should I put this at? Like, should I put this in my YouTube office? Is it in my background? Like, sitting? Or I told her, like, maybe I'm going to go ahead and upgrade, like, the garage. And then with the garage, I'm going to put like a TV in there, and then I got a lot of space in my garage, as I just figured out the other day, where I put my car in and I got plenty of space. So I'm thinking about maybe putting this in the garage, put a TV on the wall, and then I can have it there as I'm looking next to my Camaro and stuff like that, man. Just something different, something cheesy where it's not in the house. But the best part about this is foldable, so I get to maneuver around it. So yeah, and move my PlayStation out there. So we'll see. It's just all in my mind, though. So, as you guys probably want to know, like, man, Bluprint, like, how much do that cost? Like, I looked at it, like, just before I, like, did this video, and I'm shocked, like, this is, like, $1,000, man, for the whole setup. So, woo-wee, shorty dropped the bag on me, man. She dropped the bag, but I'm happy, though. I like that little slogan. Be fast or be last. You know, time flies when you drive, you know. They need to sponsor me. Maybe I can, like, use my slogan and we can come up together with something. Come on, like a custom one. So I'm going to take this apart. It looks like it's already folded up. But sheesh, this boy is like well built so far. But as me just taking it out, like y'all can see it, like that's pretty much the whole setup, like the whole rig though. You see that? Like, wow. So all I gotta do is really just figure out like what positions I want it in. Look like it got it here. And then like my seating setup. So I'm about to go ahead and get it set up, and then I'm gonna show you guys like what it looks like. All right, y'all, so this is the final setup. This is the rig. Came out pretty nice. Took some time to get here, but it is nice. And some of the things I like so far is I like this blue strip on the front of it, make it center. The gear shifter, that's nice, and everything. So now I just gotta sit in it, get it all organized. It's not gonna be the permanent spot, but I just got it right here so I can get good and ready for it, man. Probably gonna put it in the garage because that's gonna be the spot. Shout out to Next Level Racing, man. They got a good brand I can see right here. This feel like Alcantara right here, just like my Camaro seats. Nice little lumbar support. And they came with all the stuff that I need. Besides these stuff that I showed y'all that came separate. But yeah, that is it with this setup. So if y'all like this video, y'all know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go ahead and hop on Gran Turismo for the rest of the night, enjoy my setup, and yeah, that's it. So like that, I'll see you guys in the next video.